Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to tell you 5 reasons to eat tofu. Tofu, high in protein. It is an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is important for building and repairing muscles, bones, and other tissues. A 100-gram serving of tofu contains about 8 grams of protein, which is equivalent to the amount of protein found in 1 egg. And tofu is low in calories, making it a great option for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. A 100-gram serving of tofu contains only about 70 calories. Also, they are rich in nutrients. Tofu is a good source of various nutrients, including iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B1. Some types of tofu are also fortified with vitamin B12, which is important for vegans and vegetarians who may not get enough of this nutrient from their diet. Tofu is versatile. It is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries and curries to smoothies and desserts. It has a neutral taste and can absorb the flavors of the foods it's cooked with, making it a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world. When consider about health benefits, some studies suggest that consuming tofu may have various health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, improving bone health, and lowering the risk of certain types of cancer. While more research is needed in these areas, incorporating tofu into a healthy and balanced diet can be a smart choice for many people.